Hi, and welcome to our second guide of how to get the best from your AeroPress at home. We're going to cover today how to make a coffee concentrate using the AeroPress. You could use this if you like a nice strong coffee at home, if you're diluting it with milk, or if you make any coffee-based cocktails. The coffee that I'm using today is a beautiful washed Honduran from El Carrizal. It has beautiful, rich, chocolatey notes, and it works well through an espresso martini. So we're going to start by boiling at least 300 ml of water in your kettle to 93 degrees. We're then going to assemble the AeroPress by taking your filter base, adding your paper filter, and screwing it onto the bottom, locking it in nice and tight. Next, grab your server or cup and set your AeroPress on top. We're just going to be pre-rinsing the paper filter. This will also preheat the vessel. Just going to get rid of this. Next, I've pre-portioned 35 grams of my El Carrizal. And I'm going to grind it using my Comandante. We're aiming for a medium fine grind consistency. Perfect. We're going to tear our scales and pop the coffee in the top. I like to give it a little shake just to even the coffee bed. So we're going to start brewing. If you have scales, you want to start your timer about now, and you want to add 70 ml of water. Take your spoon and stir the coffee bed to evenly saturate the grounds and let it sit for 20 seconds. We're now going to add the rest of our brew water, 140 ml, which will be 210 ml in total. We're going to give it another stir and let it sit until your timer reads 2 minutes. You can add the plunger on top to keep the heat in, but please remove it off your scales if using some. When we hit 2 minutes, we're going to lightly press down on our AeroPress to push the coffee through. Nice and slow for about 30 seconds. And just keep pressing until you hear a gentle hissing noise. You can dilute your concentrate to any strength that you like, even introduce some milk, or for any coffee-based cocktail at home. So guys, like and subscribe and check out our shorts to check out the video for the construction of this espresso martini using our coffee concentrate. See you soon.